I ground my teeth real bad in my sleep. So my top teeth were on an angle where they used to be real nice and straight. And instead of putting something in my mouth to keep me from doing that, I continued over the years and they basically got worse and worse. I have a tendency to put my hand in front of my mouth, you know, so I guess to hide my smile or my teeth, basically. And on top of that, when you go into the regular dentist, they would do the examinations, and they told me my teeth were becoming mobile. So they suggested I come see Dr. Bingham. He had determined after x-rays that I have bone loss in my upper jaw. And so instead of having 14 to 15 centimeters of bone, I was down to like 5. So there was nothing holding my teeth in. So the roots had nothing to grab hold of. We went through the process of him telling me what my options were. So I could get a set of dentures, or I could have an all-on-4. I decided to have the all-on-4. He pulled 8 of my 12 teeth that I had left on top and gave me a partial for a while and let my gums heal up. And then I come in and got the last 4 pulled, and he put the implants in. And now I can bite, eat anything, just I can peel corn off a cob like a machine. So it's great. There's no pressure, there's no pain, there's nothing. It's just like I got my regular teeth with no pain.